Hi there. Today we're going to make bright and beautiful paper flowers. Quick, easy, and fun. Here's what you'll need. Colorful sheets of your favorite paper, scissors, glue or a glue stick. Just follow the step-by-step instructions and in just a few minutes you'll have your own charming paper flowers. This craft is perfect for kids. It's a fun way to develop fine motor skills and creativity. Home decor, these flowers can brighten up any shelf, desk, or wall, gifts. Add them to cards or wrap them in a handmade bouquet. Paper crafting is a simple and engaging way to spend quality time with children or relax and enjoy some creative me time. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy DIY projects, give us a like and leave a comment. Which flower was your favorite? What kind of crafts would you love to see next? Your support means the world to us and keeps us inspired to create more.